Hi, I'm Clem from South Tech Reviews, and today we're checking out a package that was sent to me from HMD Global, Nokia, and I'm very excited to see what's inside. So let me quit stalling and just check what's inside the contents of this package. So using my pocket knife. I love the idea of just pulling out a knife whenever I need one, and it seems to come so handy as to the processes that I've been doing before, using a scissor or whatever else came to mind. And I can just close that to the side, and what we got is my name and surname, obviously, and this is the Nokia 8.3 5G. And the first time I saw this phone, I was amazed by what Nokia has produced in a device with a punch-hole display and just setting up a true flagship contender as to what this device is. So let's just keep on moving. I can place that to the side, and as we open up the package, the device itself. The device is bigger than what I thought it would be. So you always kind of picture things differently when you see it on TV, and then you get it to see it in person, and this is the device itself. I'll just place that to the side quickly. See what else we got. Here's a little box, and in this box we got some headphones, good old classic headphones. I suppose this would be a charging cable, that's correct. This is USB-A to USB-C, and the charging brick. And looking at this one, it is a 18 watt, so it should charge relatively quick. I'm gonna leave that over there. As you can see, we have a SIM ejector pin as well, and included we have a little cover, a transparent cover. How many of you love transparent covers on your devices? I love transparent cover, and I highly doubt that I personally would ever want to cover my device with the skin, as I feel these manufacturers put so much into the devices these days, and they look so beautiful. Like, I mean, look at this color. And I'll just unwrap the plastic right now, but there's a couple of booklets in here. It seems like Spanish and a couple of other languages, but basically this is just your product and safety. And for now, I'm just going to put that to the side, and I'll just unwrap this device or just peel it away. And I'll just take this plastic. So before I peel away this plastic, let's just look at what's offered here. Here you get pure quad-core camera with ZEISS optics, a 6.81 full HD plus pure display. It's a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765, and it is Android 11 ready. With Nokia software updates, Android 12 will become available on this device as well. This device feels solid in hand. As I said, the first time I saw this device, it seemed smaller than what I thought it would be than holding it in hand right now. I'm going to just set up the device up the boot screen, and I'll be straight back. And I'm back, and this is the end result, the Nokia 8.3 5G. And in the coming weeks, I will be swapping out my current device to test this as my main driver, and I'm sure I'm going to have a blast just looking at the display and what content you could get on here. I'm already excited to be testing. So if there's any questions from the community out there, please feel free to drop me a comment, and I'll try to answer that in the full review. For now, thank you very much for your time. Goodbye.